Hey everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're doing well. In my last video, I mentioned doing a potential custom on my Blazer Mid 77, and I ended up doing it. Here's a quick tutorial on how to remove the swoosh and put it back on without sewing. A few tools you'll need: a seam ripper and exacto knife, Barge all-purpose cement, a pencil, and a toothbrush. Use the seam ripper to remove the stitching from the swoosh. This will take a little more time versus using an exacto knife, but I found that it was the better tool because it was easier to remove the residual thread with tweezers from the upper. Once you get to the heel portion, use your exacto knife to cut the swoosh where it meets the strip of leather on the heel. The knife is sharp, so take your time doing this. Clean the area after you've completely removed the swoosh, then place the swoosh in the area where you want to reattach it and use a pencil to lightly trace around it. I've already done it here and you can see a faint outline of the swoosh. This next step is important. With barge cement or any contact cement, you have to apply to both contact points, so I applied it evenly to the swoosh and the upper with a toothbrush. If you only apply to one side, it won't adhere properly, so be sure to apply it to both sides. Once the adhesive has been applied, let it sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes. I let mine sit for around 40 minutes. Also remember to use gloves and open a window because the fumes are pretty strong. After the adhesive is dried, carefully place the swoosh on the upper using the outline of the swoosh as your guide, and trim the excess part of the swoosh with the exacto knife. Press down firmly for a few minutes to make sure the swoosh bonds to the shoe and let it cure overnight before wearing them. If any contact cement spills out from under the swoosh, you can use acetone to remove it. You can also remove any pencil markings with an eraser. This custom wasn't too difficult to do. You just need a little patience and be sure to follow the barge cement instructions. Let me know if you have any questions and if you're feeling this custom. Thanks for watching.